Dancers,
Happy show
you guys have your
Guys, we're warming up, I guess. The day of the show. Day of show day, eh?
Absolutely. Yeah, that's what you got to bring to it every time. And you will have time to recoup between.
Okay. Little picture. This is the cover. Okay. Oh, hey. Stop it! Okay, so that's interesting.
It's actually unreal that we're performing these tonight in front of people because none of these dances are stage ready. You're gonna miss a lot that week. Okay, then don't go and sing your trip. No, because she's with the Memorial Day. Oh yeah.
Kill me. We're keeping that in.
Please keep in mind.
Yep, come to the spring show.
Go before you.
We're so excited.
And then the juniors will come out and back up, and then the seniors come out. Bow. Everyone walks forward.
Rehearsal's over.
Just got done rehearsal.
Oh, you can see Stall in the back.
It's time for me to.
Alex forgot her phone, so I have.
What are the odds I kill myself? I'm just kidding. I'm
very high.
not suicidal.
I am.
You're very high. I don't
Oh,
want anyone
yes,
to.
I'm
I'm
not.
not very
Hey,
high.
people.
Isn't that what you do?
I didn't get a chance to do that part actually, so is that not what you do? I don't
Hey
do that.
guys, we're in Cheddar's Dance. We're literally just like frolicking. I don't really know. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't. Yippee! Anytime. Are you all right?
Yes! Thank God. I didn't see it again because I don't even know what happened.
Hey guys. So we're getting the theater ready for you know, the show. Hey. So we have to tape the chairs with their little numbers because it's actually not general admission. General admission. Use the black tape. Please.
The curtain.
Yeah, that's what exactly what. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's fire.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Fire, dude.
No.
Hey, so me and Leah actually just went to Crumble and got all these little gremlins, a bunch. We got everybody's orders. There's like stuff everywhere on the floor in the car. So like, we're gonna try what we got. Like, can this like stand up? One. And it looks so good. It has a little Oreo on top. Leah got a 4-pack.
Because the gremlins.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try Oreo milkshake. Ooh, I like this one's like chilled too. I like when they're chilled. No, I'm gonna bite. I'm gonna bite it.
Alright, you know what?
Oh my god.
Really good.
Oh my god, that's amazing. I'm starving too.
I want to try the buttermilk
I
one.
didn't eat lunch.
I want to try the strawberry one, but I'm gonna let Bryce have that one.
We'll wait till later to get more people's reviews, but thanks for watching.
Hey guys. So it is 2:43. I don't know how many hours to the show, but I'll put it like right here, like right now.
Well, it's 3, so like 4.
I didn't meet.
Left him in the studio. Sorry you had to see that.
It's okay. Can you stop?
Hey guys, so we just got back from, it's the end of the day on the first day, Monday, and basically we have littles and bigs in the dance program, right? Bryce is my little, so I'm gonna like surprise her right now, and you're gonna get her reaction. I have a little gift for her and a little poster, so you're gonna get her reaction right now.
Yeah, I think I got this. Let's go. I'm ready to rock this. Let me show you how. Okay, guys, so we're doing our makeup. I got my light up mirror.
We're getting started.
Yeah, you already know. I love your hair, Jazzy. It's really cute. New look by Anaya. How nice. Okay, lashes. Can I see your beautiful costume? Your drape? Whoa. Let's really bring it together. Are you excited? Okay. Well, I am. I have not, but it's probably over there. Bruh. Okay. Yes. I like your outfit. No, I'm not actually. What did you say? Dude. Thank you. Why? Oh, it's cold. Oh my god, it's cold. Why? Why?
This is so ridiculous.
Bro,
What are we doing right now?
I don't know.
What do we do now?
Wait, the sky's really pretty.
Is that really what you're worried about?
I'm not
Show, let's get back to it.
I don't want to. Bro, my shoes.
What really kills me is that the one lady walked by and was like, it's not even that big of a thing.
5, 6, 7, 8, and 1.
Take it away. Hey. No.
In the car, you okay? It's right
I can't sit in the car. This is my mother. How are you feeling about the interruption of the show right now?
Right now, and I'm a little confused.
How are you feeling about the interruption?
Leo, stop.
This is a full circle. It's happened so many years.
Like, why?
Because they're still on the same.
Where's Devin?
Oh, here they are.
Not people getting their flowers already. Like, it's over. You were mid dance.
I know.
You were on stage.
So mad. I looked at my sister like, what? All you see is Star like, she was like, it was a drill. And I looked at the guys like, go. I'm like, getting into it, right? And I go up and I go down and I said, when I was trying to pee, why is it blinking?
So, like, here's the truck.
I'm so annoyed, like, actually.
We would have been off the stage with Jen's piece, like, right now. We were probably doing Take It Away right now. Like, all right, so we're back inside. We are back in the building. Hey. So we will be taking it away in about 2 minutes, maybe. Oh, look at all the pictures up. Okay.
A delay.
Yeah, little delay.
So no more Paranoid Android.
No, it's okay.
They're moving on to.
We'll see it again tomorrow. It's all right. It's day one. We have more days. It's okay. So yeah, let me just put. Thanks.
So, hi, it's Leah. We're back from the fire drill. There's no intermission. She's talking about, go straight into Pink Floyd, and then go straight into Queen, and then there's the seniors, rip it up, and then we gotta go straight to Alyssa. No break. No break. How do we feel about the fire drill, guys? Or not fire drill.
Fun, but then it got boring at the end. No, because
No, I was asleep and I heard it. I don't want to be here.
It was like, we were mid-dance. No, they were down the stage goes. To sum it up.
And then we were looking at y'all.
Wait, guys.
Zachary Bay.
Guess from Taylor. Someone get our class.
There was a little black girl, Fashion Fair talent scout, and her modeling career took off.
You better work.